How to redeem a credit note in AAAPOS RetailManager. When a customer wants to pay for a purchase with a credit note, the procedure is basically the same as making a sale. Go to the sales window and enter your staff number in the staff field. Enter the customer's number or name. For each stock item, scan or key in the stock item barcode in the code field. Press Enter to move to the quantity field and enter the quantity of each product being purchased as a positive quantity. This is a sale, not a credit. Press Enter to move to the payment details frame and select credit note as the payment method. Please note, the customer does not have to redeem the full credit note amount at once. Any change can easily be given as a credit note. Enter any comments about the credit note or purchase in the comments frame of the sales window using F3. A window appears listing the outstanding credit notes. Use the credit ID to find the credit note, highlight it and press the spacebar to select it. A tick appears in the selected column. Click Commit or press F10 to commit the information. Note that the customer must be on record as owning at least one credit note to be able to redeem a credit note.